How to cancel Netflix subscription. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can cancel your subscription on Netflix, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to cancel your membership, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Netflix application on your phone. Once you launch a Netflix app on your phone, you want to simply select any of your profiles and then log in. Once you log into either of your profiles, you just want to tap the little account icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the account icon from the top right, if you scroll down here, you'll find a section where it says account. So just make sure to tap on the account button. Once you tap the little account button here, you're going to simply come to this page, and then when you come to this page, if you scroll down under billing details, you have a section where it says cancel membership, right? So you just want to make sure to tap the cancel membership button here. It'll ask you for a confirmation, cancel or change the membership in one click. So you just want to tap on finish cancellation. Now the many people that might have some questions might ask me, will it just cancel right away if you've already paid for this month? So in my case, my billing date is actually the 29th of each month. So if I just cancel my membership now, since Netflix has already charged me for this month, right, for the month of April, so today is, let's say, 28th of April, Netflix has already charged me for this month. It's going to actually keep the membership till the end of this month. So till the end of this month, when you're already charged, you will still be able to watch Netflix, but after that it is going to cancel the membership for you. After that you will no longer be charged. So that's how it works. If this helped you answer your question, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.